Studying hard and visualizing your results are known ways to prepare for tests. But sometimes things don't always work out as planned. Having targeted a 4-star safety rating for the MPV, Kia have fallen short, with the Carens getting just 3 stars in the Global NCAP crash tests. Welcome to ZigFF, all the info without the nonsense. In Feb, we broke the news from leaked documents that Kia was targeting a 4-star safety rating for the Carens. But after the test, the Carens received just 3 stars overall. The Carens, even in its most basic avatar, is fitted with 6 airbags, ESC, seatbelt pretensioners, ABS with brake assist and disc brakes on all 4 wheels. A really great safety package. So this result is not quite impressive. In the test, the major deductions were for an unstable structure, marginal protection to the driver's chest, and weak protection for the driver's feet. Its score of 9.3 out of 17 for adult safety and 30.99 out of 49 for child safety are better than the Seltos' points, but still in the same 3-star ballpark. Kia's global cars like the EV6 that just went on sale are able to easily ace stricter Euro NCAP tests, so Kia definitely has the expertise. So this is a rather disappointing result. Global NCAP itself shared a similar sentiment, stating, Global NCAP welcomes Kia's decision to make 6 airbags a standard fitment in the Carens ahead of a regulatory requirement. However, we expected a better performance from this model. It remains a cause of concern that global car brands such as Kia that normally achieve 5-star ratings in other markets are still not reaching this level in India. So airbags clearly aren't the paracetamol of the car world. Have enough of them and all ills are cured. Tushar explains all this and other aspects in more detail in our road safety video. Links of course are in the description. Like, subscribe and share.